Hello everyone, myself Tanvi Patel, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Our subject is Effective Technical Communication and our topic is Technical Writing. So today our topic is Technical Description. The term Technical Descriptions are explanation of physical qualities of an item. This might include size, color, weight, height, shape, functions, operations, etc. features of the technical thing. The alternative definition of technical description is technical communication asks you to document information and communicate it in a concise, precise and professional way. The focus tends to be more on how well the writing achieves the goal rather than on proving that you read or understand something. Means technical description means what you understand by seeing the thing or observing the thing. That is your technical description, how you describe that thing in your own way. Technical description are usually a description of one of the following: an object or a process. Technical description describes either what something is exactly or how something works. Means if you are describing a mobile phone, then how you describe that mobile phone, that depends on your observation. That is technical description. Next, like more creative descriptions, technical descriptions sometimes draw on the five senses and metrologically comparisons or analogies to allow the reader to fully conceptualize what is being described. More often, however, they rely on concrete measurable descriptors. Technical description can take many forms depending on purpose and audience. Descriptions can range from a brief sentence to a paragraph, a whole section, or a report, or an entire manual. Next, poorly written technical descriptions can cause confusion, waste of time, and even result in disaster. Technical product descriptions are often legally required to ensure safety and compliances. Product specification requires detailed description of design features. Instructions often require specific descriptive detail to show the reader what to do. The product specification which is being written in the description, that is your technical description. Next, categories of technical description. Some general categories of technical descriptions include the following: mechanism description, process description and definition. So first is mechanical description. It provides a detailed overview the physical aspects of a tool, machine or other mechanical device that have moving parts and is designed to perform a specific function. This could be product description for sales or manufacturing, documentation for design specification, information graphics, etc. Next is process description. Detail a series of events, that is natural, biological, ecological, mechanical, social or psychological phenomena that happens in particular sequence in order to achieve a specific outcome. That can be categorized into two parts: non-instructional process and instructional process. So there this can be categorized into non-instructional process, such as a process analysis of how an internal combustion engine works, or natural process like photosynthesis. Here in figure you can see how the internal combustion engine works, that is the four-stroke engine, how it works, that is described over here. An instructional process such as recommended or required procedure, an explicit step-by-step instruction to be followed. Means it follows the step-by-step instruction which is being described in the description. Next is definition, which clarifies the specific meaning often related to a specific context or expresses the essential nature of the term being defined. This can range in length from a simple clarifying phrase to an extended document of several pages. Definitions will often include detailed description and visuals to illustrate ideas. Next is technical description of a mechanism. Mechanism description should provide a clear understanding of the object being described, including general appearance and physical properties, overall function or purpose, component parts, and how the part interact to create a functionable whole. The reader should be able to clearly picture and therefore understand the nature of the object being described, what it does and how it works. Means the reader who is reading the description, he should perfectly being picturized and clearly picturize that the description what is being there is describing the overall object. In order to achieve this clarity for the reader, one must choose significant detail and organize information logically. Select details that can be described precisely and measurable, such as color, shape, size, dimensions, materials, component parts, properties, principle of at work means how it works, texture, pattern, design, interactions, etc. So next example means description of iPhone 11 Pro. The Apple iPhone 11 Pro is part of 13th generation of iPhones and was released by Apple on September 20th, 2019. It has the features of triple lens real camera system with a square shaped flash, a 5.8-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display, and its operating system is iOS 13, and it has A13 Bionic chip. It is the first iPhone to be designed with the term Pro. Pro typically used in large products, and the iPhone 11 Pro is the first iPhone to come with a 18-watt fast charging and a lightning to USB-C type cable. It is available in gold, space gray, silver and midnight green color. So this is the general description of iPhone 11 Pro, that is the brand, model name, release date, launched in India, form factor, body type, dimensions, weight, IP rating, battery capacity, removable battery, fast charging, wireless charging and the colors. Next, the display, the hardware description, camera description of iPhone 11 Pro, the operating system means the software, the connectivity, it has two SIMs available, the sensors, how it works. Now the next is description of HP Pavilion laptop. Here the HP Pavilion notebook is a Windows 10 laptop with a 15.60-inch display. It is powered by a Core i7 processor and it comes with 8 GB of RAM. It comes with 3 USB ports, HDMI port, RJ45 LAN port. Model is Pavilion notebook. Model number is notebook. Battery capacity is 3. Battery capacity 41. So this is the general description of HP Pavilion notebook. Here the model number, series, dimensions, weight, color, operating system, battery capacity, all description is being given in general. Next is the display, processor and memory description. Next, graphics, input and storage description. Ports and slots, USB port, HDMI port, RJ45 that is the LAN connector. Example of technical description. Thank you.